Hello, my name is Michael Love, and this meditation uses a third ray, the ray of active intelligence. Some of you may be familiar with the law of attraction, and the law of attraction is part of the third ray. So as we begin this journey today, I suggest you get comfortable in your chair or some other place where you can sit relaxed. Gently relax your hands either in your lap or at your side. Have your feet resting comfortably beneath you, either on the floor or folded in some comfortable way. You may start with either your eyes open or gently closed. Now take a relaxing, deep breath, and as you exhale, breathe out any stress or anxiety that you may be feeling. Continue to focus on your breath and maintain a gentle, rhythmic breathing pattern. Good. Now imagine the golden yellow light of the third ray and direct it to surround you. And as you feel yourself in this beautiful golden yellow energy, allow the energy of the third ray to help facilitate the following technique of manifestation that has been adapted from the teachings of Neville Goddard. In this guided journey today, we are going to focus on manifesting that which you desire to experience in your life. You already have all that you need. You have your imagination and your ability to focus your attention. Take another gentle breath and prepare to imagine your wishes fulfilled. The first step in the process is referred to as desire. You must define that which you wish to manifest in your life. It helps to be as specific as possible, choosing a goal like, I want to be rich, or I want to be happy, or I want to be in love, is not very specific. What do rich, happy, or in love mean to you? How would you know that your wish has been fulfilled? Does rich mean $100 in your bank account? Does it mean 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, $1 million in your bank account? The same goes for happy. How would you know that you are happy? What would you compare it to? Be specific when choosing your goal and make it something that is meaningful for you. This is not about anyone other than yourself. What do you desire to manifest in your life? Go ahead now and choose the goal that you wish to manifest. After you have decided on a clear wish or goal, the next step is to construct an event that you believe you would encounter following the fulfillment of your desire. An event that implies the fulfillment of your desire. Decide on an event that will let you know that your wish has been fulfilled. It could be the letter with the new job offer. Think of a tangible sign that what you are manifesting has indeed become real. Decide on an appropriate event or sign now. The third step is to feel yourself in the proposed action. Imagine all the while that you are actually performing the action here and now. You must participate in the imaginary action, not merely stand back and look on, but feel that you are actually performing the action so that the imaginary sensation is real to you. It is important to always remember that the proposed action must be one that follows the fulfillment of your desire, one that implies fulfillment. Using our example of a new job, perhaps you are showing the letter to someone. Now feel how it feels to have that desired goal here and now. Do not visualize yourself at a distance in some future space and at a distance in some future time when you imagine the action after the fulfillment of your goal. Instead, make elsewhere here and the future now. See that event taking place here and now. The difference between feeling yourself in action here and now and visualizing yourself in action as though you were on a movie screen is the difference between success and failure. And now the fourth step. The more you focus your attention on the fulfilled goal, the more likely you are to be successful. Focused attention will aid in allowing the wish to be fulfilled sooner. A most effective way to embody a desire or goal is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and then repeat over and over again any short phrase that implies fulfillment of your desire, such as thank you, thank you, thank you, as though addressing a higher power for having given you that which you desired. Allow that feeling to become so real to you that there is no question in your mind that you already have it. It will be easy for you to remember to hold your attention on your desire, your wish that you now see as fulfilled, just as you now feel that you already possess it. Focused attention is the key to your success. Now, as we begin to return to your normal waking state of consciousness, once again focus your awareness on your breathing. Take a gentle, deep breath. And as you do, Begin to allow your consciousness to return to your physical body. Continue your rhythmic breathing. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And as you do, once again feel the connection with your arms and your legs. Continue to allow your consciousness to return to your body, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to this place, and this time, fully relaxed, feeling calm and peaceful, feeling better than you've felt all day. Welcome back.